Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to see how many friends you have on Snapchat. First of all, go to Snapchat, tap on little profile icon at top left, and here is your profile option. You can see here how many friends you have or how many friends you are added. So this is the options: friends, add friend, and my friends. In my friends you can see your friend list. So tap on here, and this is the page. So I have only one friend, so I just seen her. So that was all I want to show you for today. Hope you just like this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in comment section below. I will see you in next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.